I have been thinking about the concept of being observed and being the observer. And I feel like human beings, we do believe that we are always the ones observing the environment around us. But have you ever thought that you are actually being observed by the trees, by the birds, by the squirrels, by all those animals that you don't even see that are there somewhere doing their thing, and at the same time paying attention to what we're doing so you don't step on them, so you don't see them, but you are also being observed in a beautiful way. No, it's not like stalking. It's just you're being accepted as part of this landscape. And I find that so beautiful that I'm accepted as part of this beauty. I'm gonna let you listen to the birds communicating to each other.